everybody. And I sound like I'm really chipper when I just got done complaining to my hubby over here about how frozen I am. It is in the 30s this morning. And what else better to spend a 30-degree day than decide to go swimming? Put on a bathing suit and go swimming. Because that's what we're doing today.
Sounds good to me.
We're going swimming. Yeah, we're crazy like that. I'll probably spend all day in the hot tub.
Not like it was a few weeks ago.
Why? Because it was real hot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Been lucky to get 5 minutes.
Yeah, you can't stay in there too long. They have a warm pool. It's all inside. I'm just teasing you guys. We're not going to be outside or anything. If it was outside, it'd be a skating rink. Today it would be. Anyways, it is really, really cold today.
I don't even think we made it to 30. Let's see what, Alexa, what's the temperature?
I think it's 37.
Right now, it's 30 degrees Fahrenheit.
30 degrees.
Expect a high of 36 degrees.
36 is going to be the high today.
Well, it is really cold. We are supposed to possibly get some snow. We'll see. We'll see. But it's cold. And I already saw my best friend this morning. She brought me a Christmas sweater. And she said, I think you could wear this to your Christmas party this weekend. And who knows, I might actually wear it to the Christmas party this weekend if it's still cold like it is today.
It's going to be in the 60s.
It's cold. It's cold today, and then it'll be in the 60s. That's not Christmassy. I hate that.
It'll be in the 60s by the weekend.
Yeah.
But there's a chance of rain, so you'll need your duck gear on.
Yeah. Well, anyways, we are, actually, our Christmas party isn't this weekend. It's next weekend. We're going to Heritage Farm this weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah. I keep forgetting because they changed the dates on the dinner that we were supposed to go to. And I don't even know why they did that, but they did. And it's kind of weird that they changed it for the 17th because everything Christmas related is happening on the 17th. And so people are going to have to pick and choose whether or not they want to go to this dinner or if they want to just keep their regular plans. Anyhow, we're going to go to the Christmas dinner and we're going to keep our regular plans. Aren't we, babe?
We are.
So, we're going to Christmas it all up this coming Saturday. But today is Tuesday and we are headed to the gym. I'm filming Vlogmas today. And I'm not sure how much I will have to film today, but we're going to the gym. They usually pick us up by noon. We are usually at the gym by 1. And then we leave there, hopefully between 3 and 3:30 is usually.
Yeah, about 2.5, 3 hours is plenty.
And then we get home about 4:30. So yeah, it's, it really varies on how many people are traveling and using the bus today. It also varies on if all the drivers showed up today. You know, when you take public transportation, some days run really, really smoothly and some days lag behind. So you never know what you're going to get, do you, babe?
Exactly right.
So anyways, I'm going to go spend the day with my gorgeous husband. I have to get back down there at the gym and let those other women know that he's taken. Because they're starting to think and wonder if I exist. I'll have to go down there and set them straight that Ronnie is mine.
They don't want me down there.
They're nothing but a bunch of older women like 60 and older.
I'm definitely not into that. No offense.
But they're so sweet to you, honey, and they want you to sing.
I will sing.
Oh, boy. Anyways, we're going to be headed to the gym here shortly. We got here to the Y. I had to film. It's a nativity scene.
Joy to the world.
Oh, stop it. That's so pretty.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, that's so pretty.
Well, we'll get to a nativity scene you can pet for long, hopefully.
Yeah.
We got some deer over here, and I think we got some more things over there, too.
Take a look. I'm not freezing.
You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on to me.
Get all the pictures you can
We'll
get.
go for a walk. We'll earn that swim, won't we?
Yes.
We got some little things up here next to the Y. Oh, and we got these deer. These are really pretty. Oh,
That's a sheep.
that's a sheep, not a deer. These are really pretty. That's pretty. And right in there is the pools, right in there. That's so cute.
Tuition assistance.
We got home and I put on some warm, cozy clothes and made us some pasta with some garlic toast. And we are sitting down to eat, and we got the news on. That's what you're listening to. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed another Vlogmas. We had a great time at the gym today. It was nice to see the Christmas decorations. It seems like they're a little bit different every year. And it was just nice to get out. And it is cold here.
It had been a little while since you got to go with me.
Yeah, it's been a while since I've been over there. It is in the 20s. And we are supposed to get snow tonight sometime. So I don't know if I'm going to wake up to see snow or not, but it would be nice to see snow. But I have a feeling that it'll be melted by the time we get up. I don't know. There might be some still left. I don't know. But anyways, we're supposed to get snow, and it got cold downstairs. And so I told Ronnie, I said, you know what? Let's just go to bed early.
I'm ready for it. I'm tired.
Yeah, me too. I said, I'm going to go upstairs, take my bath, put my jammies on. We did watch a movie, which was really good. What was it called? The Christmas Box?
Yes.
It's free on YouTube. It's called The Christmas Box.
Thanks, YouTube.
Thank you, YouTube. Absolutely. It was really, really a good, wholesome movie. So if you like that kind of thing, it would be up your alley. And it's perfect for family watching. You know, if you got little ones and you're very careful about what you let them see. It's very family oriented.
Richard Thomas plays in it.
That's right. You remember John Boy on the Waltons? He's the dad in this movie, and it's really, really good. It's just really good. Enjoyed it. So thank you, honey, because he kept saying, you'll like it, you'll like it. And I said, if it is overly sappy and makes me cry my eyes out, I don't want to watch it. But actually, I really got into it, and I got underneath my Snuggie. Yes, I have a Snuggie. His dad was teasing me about my Snuggie. He told me that his dad told me tonight that he was cold, and he didn't know what a Snuggie was. And when he came over here last, I showed him what a Snuggie is, that you put your arms in it. You guys know, you've seen them on the commercial. My mom got us some that are like woolly and fuzzy in the inside, which they are awesome. And so I showed him what a Snuggie was, and tonight he was saying he was cold, and I said, you know, you need to put a sweatshirt on, or, you know, when you're sitting on the couch, cover up in a blanket. And he said something about, I'm going to have to get under my Snuggie. But what did he say? He didn't call it a Snuggie.
He called it a Huggy.
A Huggy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a diaper. He called it a Huggy. Anyways, we just was laughing about that tonight. It's so cold we can't even think here in West Virginia about what we're talking about. But anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We had a lovely day today. I'm so happy to have you be a part of our day today. And we'll be seeing you tomorrow. So if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you part of Kiddos Corral. And give us a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below, because I read all the comments and may not always comment back, but I always like do the little heart thing, you know, to send some love back, to say, hey, I read your comment. Thank you very much. So thank you so much for your comments. And we will be talking to you all again tomorrow. Good night, guys.